Welcome to Tapeta Page Builder Guide. Today we'll be learning about buttons. You can select a styling preset for some quick styling for your button. The usual actions that you can do with buttons are editing the label, adding click actions, changing the text style and typography, changing background color, or change the border style and border radius. You can also add an icon on your button. To edit the icon, simply click on the icon and change it as you wish.